Why do men stay stuck in their pornography addiction? Why is it that so many men, countless millions of men, every single day are trying to over addiction, are trying to live a no-fap or a free lifestyle? But yet when it comes to the end of it, they cannot stay free. They find themselves slipping. They find themselves falling back. They find themselves stuck in identity, stuck in the life that they're currently in. In today's episode, we're going to dive deep into something that separates the guys who just want to quit from those that actually succeed at creating real freedom. And what it is today, gentlemen, is we're talking your why. And I don't mean a surface level why. I'm talking about the deep, the core driver that fuels transformation. If you do not have a strong enough reason, if you have not connected purpose behind this journey, then brother, I hate to tell you that you're going to stay stuck. You probably heard the saying, it's been a foundational philosophy inside the personal development space that with a strong enough why will reveal itself. And I believe this to be true with overcoming this addiction. You see, I think most men are staying stuck because the reasons as to why they're trying to quit are inadequate, are insufficient. Most men that I speak to, and this may be the case with you right now, are trying to quit porn for one of these reasons. They say, I know it's bad for me. They say, I know it's a sin. They say, I don't want my wife to find out, or my wife has caught. They say, I just can't stop. I need to stop looking at porn. And now, while I do believe that all of those reasons are true, and they may be valid for many of us, for one thing, they're reactive. They're responding to outside of us. They focus on the behavior, on what it is you want to stop, versus what it is you're trying to create. This way of thinking, this approach keeps men stuck in this cycle of guilt. And here's what: shame is never the foundation for real transformational change and growth. Real change doesn't come from fear or guilt. Your lasting transformation, your new identity, must come from a vision for the man that you must become. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Coach Frank Rich, founder of The Rebuilt Man, the #1 organization in the world that helps men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives. Back in 2020, I set down this path of helping men that were struggling with pornography. I saw gaps in the space. I didn't see anybody tackling what I call freedom, what they call recovery, through the proper lens and philosophy. We say our program, Reboot Your Life, is the world's first and only fully integrated, based approach to overcoming pornography on growth-centric principles. What we do here is about stepping into your full potential as a man. What I want you to help understand is your journey to freedom is not about quitting porn. It's about succeeding, creating a porn-free life. When you try to quit porn, you're escaping pain. When you try to succeed at creating a porn-free life, you're trying to build a life built upon purpose. Your brain will follow clarity and purpose, not the confusion and shame that you keep feeding it. Now, this why must come from a place of desire. All success, stated by Napoleon Hill, the starting point of all achievement. Hope, not a wish, but a keen, pulsating desire. This desire, this drive, this why for wanting to live a porn-free life will drive consistent action. It will give you the will to persist through struggle. This real desire, this why, will create the belief in you needed to persevere, to sustain, so that you can abstain. It's been my experience with talking with thousands of years that most men believe that they can live a life without porn. And it's this lack of belief within self that keeps them stuck. Belief starts with desire. You have to desire the life porn more than the acceptance of the current life that you're living. Porn is working for you right now. It's solving many problems. It serves as an escape. It serves as comfort. It serves as false. And it serves as any necessary work. Until your vision for the life that you want to live is greater than the comfort of the life that you're currently in, you will not change. You have to desire the new life more than you currently accept the one that you're living in. Some prompts here. This is pulled right out of Reboot Your Life curriculum on helping you get clear on your why and on helping you hear from that future self. So these are two different assignments that are literally a part of our program. And after this, if you want to drive the entire curriculum, you to do that here at the end of today's episode. But defining your why. Here's a series of questions to help walk you through this. Why are you here? Why are you sitting in the position trying to overcome pornography? What is it you want out of this journey? You're doing it for, and why haven't your previous attempts succeeded? Now, what happens if you fail this time around? And how must your views and relationships with porn and women change over the next 3 to 6 months if you are going to succeed at becoming? Why are you here? And what is it you're trying to accomplish? Now, if you were successful, I want you to envision walking in that freedom. Go out 3 months, go out 6 months, and envision a reality of living. Now, from that place and time, write a letter back to yourself today. What does the future you say to you? What is he thankful for? What did he overcome? What has he become? He challenges and setbacks did he confront that he was able to succeed at conquering? So now we know why we're here and we've heard from our future self. This is where it all begins. This should help you, that desire, that drive for more. Because if you do not desire the life free of porn more than you accept the life that you're currently living, like I said, you will stay stuck. And this has been my experience with thousands of conversations. This is from the men that succeed, ones that stay stuck. Is it all started with a choice, but then that choice led to a desire. That desire created the actions, and the actions created the new man. And I gave you a partial peek behind the scenes of our program. Like I said, it's the #1 program in the world to help become better, rebuilding their lives. And if you've been on the fence about taking the leap, I want to invite you inside of our community for free. Test drive us for free. Take action on these assignments. Get plugged into the community. Jump on group coaching calls. If you go to school.ool.com life, or click the link down there in the show notes below, you can accept this free invite. You can join us for a week. You can get group coaching. You can get one-to-one support. And you begin to take action. Desire leads to action. Action is what creates change. Be built upon your why are you here? Why are you trying to be free? Guys, Coach Frank of the Rebuilt Man, we love you. See you in the next one.